What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Murder on My Mind by YNW Melly. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning, and I'm going to go ahead and warn you, it is using all bar chords. They are not the easiest chords you've ever played, so just keep that in mind. This will, it's going to hurt your hand a little bit if you're a beginner, you're not used to your bar chords yet. Your first chord is an A flat major 7, so you're barring the entire 4th fret with your index finger, then you're going ring finger on your 6th fret on your A string, then your middle finger on the 5th fret on your D string, and your ring finger on the 5th fret on your G string. Your next chord is going to be an F minor 7. You're barring the entire 1st fret with your index finger, and then you're putting your ring finger on the 3rd fret on your A string. Your next chord is a C minor 7. Your index finger is barring the entire 3rd fret. Your ring finger is on the 5th fret of your D string. Your G string is being pressed down by your index finger on the 3rd fret, and your middle finger is on the 4th fret on your B string. Final chord is G minor 7. Bar that entire 3rd fret with your index finger, and then you're going ring finger on the 5th fret on your A string. Now luckily when you get those chords down, that's all you gotta learn, because those chords just repeat throughout the entire song and you're only single strumming each of them. So here, A flat major 7, F minor 7, C minor 7, G minor 7. And then it starts all over. If you want to know what the little lead notes are, I'll show you those now. So in between your A flat major 7 and you're in between your F minor 7 and your C minor 7, you're playing E string, 6th fret, 4th fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret. And then in between your G minor 7 and your A flat major 7, you're playing 3 on your high E string, 1 on your high E string, 4 B string, 3 B string. So the first one, second time. Now the second time you're going through those chords, it changes up a little bit between your F minor 7 and your C minor 7. You go 1 on your B string, 3 on your E string, 4, 6, 8. So in order, it starts here, goes here, goes here, back to here. Now those are played in between the chords. I'm not gonna lie, those chords are hard to play, and it's very hard to just play through them in general, so let alone adding the picking in between. If you can, by all means, I will show you very slowly where the picking goes right now in between the chords. So when you start out, A flat major 7, F minor 7, then your first picking pattern, C minor 7, G minor 7, next picking pattern. Start over, A flat major 7, F minor 7, next picking pattern, C minor 7, G minor 7, next picking pattern. Now if you can play those notes in between the chords while you're switching, that's how you do it. If not, you can just single strum those chords just over and over again, and that's throughout the entire song. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.